Good morning, students. I'm going to show you how to check out books online. When you log into your class link, this is what you'll see. And then you can go to the bottom, scroll to the bottom until you see Sora right here, Sora Overdrive eBooks. These are books that you can read on the computer, and we're going to click it. And once you click it, because you're already logged in, it should automatically open up for you. And as you notice, it'll say Fort Worth ISD. That's where we want to be because you are in the Fort Worth Independent School District. And on the first part of the website, you can see new books. And those are books you can check out. And you see there are over 200 books for you to read. Then you can go below that to popular subjects where you can find juvenile books, humor, historical fiction, biography, and autobiography. You can also click Explore All Subjects. Then below that, you have new audiobooks. So if you're a person who does not really like to read, you can allow the book to read for you. And I'll just click it so we can see what's here. And there are a list of audiobooks. And again, those are the books that you are able to listen to. And I'm going to click this arrow and go back. And then below that, that's where you'll find most popular books. And it has over 1,000 books for you to read. So there's your Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And you can click that arrow and it'll show you other books available. And then if you participate in Battle of the Books, this is where you will find those books. Then we can go down to your next great read, and there you'll find a host of other books. So I'm going to click on At the Zoo. Okay, so At the Zoo, and this gives me a description about the book. I can add it to a list, so if I wanted to put a few books on a list and come back later and read them, I can just add them to the list. And we're going to go back. And then we have spooky stories. Read at your own risk, horror or middle and high school books. Beware of Dog. So those are books about dogs. Hidden Gems. What's available now? Fall Into a Good Book. Those are popular books. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, let's see what happens. I'm going to click on over 1,000 books. Now, this gives me a list of the most popular books. If I want to borrow a book, I will need to see the word borrow. If I do not see the word borrow, then that means that book is not available. However, I can still get that book. I just may have to wait for it. So I could click place on a hold, and then this book means it will not be available for 11 weeks. That means several people are waiting for this book. But since I've placed it on a hold, then in 11 weeks I'll be able to get it. Okay, so if I wanted to borrow a book though, I can click it, click the word borrow, and then it brings me to the page where I can actually start reading the book. And then tap on it, and it opens up the book, and then all I'm doing is clicking the screen, and it's changing the page for me. Okay, it's changing the page. All I'm doing is clicking the screen, and here we go. Hello, I am Ivan. I am a gorilla. It's not as easy as it looks. So this is where I would actually listen to the book. Okay, if I wanted to get out of that, of course, I can always use the arrow. And look, it says a new achievement. I checked out a book. You borrowed a book. Happy reading. And I can just click OK. So that book is downloading for me. As you see, it's at 6%. And I have 13 days to read it. Okay. So that's how you borrow a book. Now, If I go here to shelf, it will show the books that I have on my shelf, either books that I have read or books that I am reading. And then if I go here to me, it will show you that I've opened up one book. I've read about an average of 1 minute. Well, yeah, total time read an average of 1 minute, one day. So far I haven't done a whole lot of reading, so I need to do better. But anyway, once I've done several things, then I get little badges. So right now I have a badge because I opened up this program and I signed in. Okay, so the more I do, and I've got a badge here because I checked out a book. So whatever I do, then I can get badges, which are little pictures that'll go inside of these circles to show what I've done. And on my home page, it'll show the last book that I've read here. Okay, so if I wanted to, I can go back home. And it shows I've done nothing here. I can explore. That means I can go look for a book. I can see what books I have read, loans I have, holds I have, lists, and then this is where the history will show everything that I've read or checked out. Okay, so if you want to read a book, all you have to do is go to Sora. You don't have to physically come into the library to check out books. You can just read them online. And again, you can access this program through your My Apps page with ISD and go to Sora, and it will automatically log you in once you're logged into your computer, tablet, or phone.